Actually, Industry 4, there are different layers of Industry 4. The first layer is where you start with automation of data acquisition. I think presently we in India are at that layer. We have challenges in automating the data acquisition itself. The next level comes is integration of data and data analytics, advanced analytics. And above that, of course, the top floor, the icing on the cake is application of AI/ML. Now, once the application of AI/ML starts happening, then that will change the rules of the game.
Absolutely.
Because the kind of benefits which will accrue, one would not have imagined before.
Very true.
So how far do you think this advent of AI/ML is you can foresee coming through in India after this phase of data analytics is over? I mean, data acquisition and analytics.
Okay.
Above that, on top of that, do you see any cases where people have started applying AI/ML?
Okay. So like you just said, data acquisition phase. So the way we call it, when we go to our customer, we say, we'll take all this data and give you the real-time real-time data. We call it mirror.
Yes.
We say, we are going to show you mirror, which is going to tell you really what is happening. Yes. Because what you have, you better don't believe that.
Yes. Yes.
So we are going to show you mirror. That is step number 1, which we have accomplished in our SFHawk. The second is, we'll give you the data and let your team analyze it. But we are realizing that not everybody in tier 1, tier 2 has the time and capability to analyze the large amount of data which they are getting.
Yes.
So now we are, realizing that we need to have intelligent analytics engine quickly in place, so that we can remove that struggle. Just by giving data is not going to help.
Yeah.
So that analytics engine is the next, like you just said. I completely agree that analytics engine is next. Then the automating processes. So it's closed loop system.
Yeah.
So right now, most of the implementations are open loop. You take the data and then you decide what to do.
Yes.
We are moving forward. I mean, our vision at SFHawk is that whatever we can do to close loop it would be our vision. So that would be, it's coming. It's, it's not there, and it takes time to build that. But that closed loop system where you take data, analyze it, and take action, and done.
Yeah.
That is the automation side. The final is the top layer of analytics, or the AI/ML. I have experienced that some customers are directly jumping to that, and I'm telling whoever I met, I say that you need to first go through this process before you reach the top layer. Don't have this mistake of calling vendors and say, I need to implement this. So at least, fortunately, I have not seen many people. I think that awareness is there, that you need to go gradually, step by step, until you reach here. So I'm happy that awareness is there. People are not directly jumping to the predictive side of it yet. The matured ones, the OEMs, have started asking, but the majority are not.